I still remember like it was yesterday. Because it was Sunday the 23rd. I did not have my college on that day, and I started every day the same when I don't have my classes. 11:44 a.m. That was the last time when I saw my peanut butter on bread. Sometime between me going to the washroom and coming back to the kitchen, somebody just ate my peanut butter on bread. So there were two people in the house when the crime took place, because it is a crime. My roommates Rohit and Nandmay, and both of them deny having any involvement. Why would I?
I'm his roommate. I would never.
I didn't know what to do, but luckily I didn't have to go through this alone.
Yeah. I'm Nikhil Justin, and I'm a retired police detective. I actually live next door to the Gambhirs, and I overheard the altercation take place. After the incident, I just came over to see if everything was alright. Immediately, I was like, what is going on?
I'm still in disbelief. It's like they were mocking you. We ate the toast and left the crust, which we know you hate.
We're dealing with a truly sick individual.
They both know I don't do crust.
I mean, who leaves just the crust?
Me.
Just admit it, man.
No.
You're sexually attracted to peanut butter.
I said I'm not sexually attracted to peanut butter.
That's why you get no bitches, man. Oh, man.
The culprit will be caught. So there were two people in the house.
This whole situation, this scenario is ridiculous. But I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you that I'm not heavily invested in how this is gonna pan out.
Somebody ate my peanut butter on bread. Why would I?
Actually, yeah, you can do it.
क्या? हाँ, you can say, you can do it.
Recording को क्या हो गया?